it's just me. I wanted to share a special resource with you guys today that I made. It's basically a free chore chart you can edit for your family. So I'm just going to go in quickly here to my Google Docs. If you have Google Docs through Google Drive, you'll be able to edit this too. Actually, it's not Google Docs. Sorry, it's Google Drive. And then it's something called Draw.io. So here it is. It's called Family Chores Editable. And I'm going to post a link to it under this post so you can go ahead and download it as well. It's going to look like this when you open it. You're going to need to go in and you see how it says open with Draw.io diagrams. In advance, you're going to need to go to Chrome extensions. I can show you that after, how to make sure that you have this extension so that it will open for you. So this is a flowchart maker program that's free online. I think it's free anyway. It's already created for you, and I'm just going to quickly show you how to edit it. It'll open for us. Got slow internet today. There it is. Okay. So basically what this is, it's a flow chart. You can see Monday through Sunday, and it's a schedule. So you can go up to the top first of all, and you can edit your family name. So for us, it's Wesolowski family. Wesolowski chore schedule, whatever you want to call it. You can call it whatever you want. The next thing you want to know is over here on the left, there are sort of little cubes that you can use. So you can add more things that way. You just click on it and one will pop up at the bottom and you can just grab it, drag it, and put it into any box. You can change the color over here. There's an arrow. You can change the color to any color you want. That's how I made this for you. So I'm going to just delete that one because we don't really need it. All right, so just going through the chore chart real quick. Here's what we do in our family. This is literally my chore chart for my kids. They fight over everything, who has to do what. So this always keeps us on track. This is just the updated version. Our kids, keep in mind, are 14, 11, and 3. So Micah is 11, Chloe's 14, and Colton is 3. So of course the chores are according to their age. Now every morning before school, they have to do something with the dishwasher. They either have to load it with morning breakfast dishes or anything that got left from snacks the night before. And they need to unload the clean dishes from the dishwasher. So this is unload and load the dishwasher schedule right here. And that happens Monday through Friday. But then on Saturdays, there's a little bit more involved. So I'll show you that after. Okay, I'm just going to scroll down here. Down at the bottom, we have just after school time, Monday through Friday, to kind of keep us on track. I don't really have to nag my kids because they just do their jobs. If they don't do their jobs, of course, there's things that can get lost, like screens and such like that. So, yeah, they generally do their jobs as long as they know what they're supposed to be doing. So Micah is doing on Mondays, because our garbage day is Tuesday morning. So Mondays after school, Micah is doing upstairs garbages. Chloe's doing main floor garbages and the basement. And then you can see that we do it again a couple days later. And then I just swap them so that they each have a different level of work to do. They'll argue otherwise. I had to do 2 floors, so they swap. So then after that, they of course have homework after school a lot of days, but just basics like that. Micah needs to read a little bit. Chloe usually has quite a bit more homework. She's in junior high. But besides that, they always still have to continue on with the dishes. So usually it's me cooking or my husband cooking and maybe one of the kids is helping us. But besides that, they have to do the loading and unloading and clearing and setting the table. So we do set and load. We say clean together dishes. So you're doing clean dishes out on the table. And how does this work now? Set and load. Yeah, this is right. Anyway, it's not clean. This is just how it is how we have it set up. Clear and unload. So those are the ways they do it. And then little Colton is 3. So he actually empties the recycle bin into a bag. We just kind of hang up on a cabinet door, and he puts everything into it from the recycle bin. So we just go down the week that way. Again, once you get to Saturday, things kind of change. Oh, no, not too bad. Yeah, Saturday and Sunday, my husband and I add in ourselves and give the kids some time off from all these everyday chores. So we do mom and dad set and clear, and Colton helps set. And then on Sundays, mom, dad set and clear and load and unload. So Mike and I always have to, roll our eyes like, oh yeah, it's our dish day. It makes us grateful for all the work that our kids do. We usually thank them for their hard work on Sundays. We are trying to get little Colton helping a lot. So he does alternate. So it says Colton help unload, Colton help unload, Colton help set. So throughout the week, he is helping with different jobs. He's helping to set and unload. We're going to get him doing other jobs as well soon. Then we also have a bath and shower schedule here. This does change throughout the year, but for now, this is what's working because of the kids' schedules outside the home and whether they're sweaty teenagers or not. So yeah, it's just a good thing to have a bit of a schedule and make sure that they're always getting their cleanliness in a week. Okay, I'm just going to quickly cover the Saturday jobs. So this is what we have our kids do on a Saturday morning, and it's taking up a lot of room here, but this is not actually how long it takes. It's because I've written it in week 1, 2, 3, and 4. So like on the first week of this first Saturday of the month, this would be, for example, what the kids would be doing. So Micah is going to do the big jobs, tub, toilet, and cleaning the floor in the kids' bathroom. Then he's going to be vacuuming the stairs and the basement carpet. And then he's going to be putting away all his own laundry and cleaning his room. There may be other jobs that we ask them to do, like tidying and putting things away. We have an area on our stairs called the crap basket. So he has to empty his crap basket items as well, make sure everything gets off the stairs and back to its room, its space or whatever. Chloe would be doing the easier jobs, as she calls it, sink, mirror, and countertop, sweeping upstairs and vacuuming upstairs, and then putting away her laundry and cleaning her room. And sometimes I have her help with Colton's room as well, like laundry or toys or whatever, if there's time. And then they just swap. So I've got this kind of alternate between week 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you can change this all, of course, to meet your family's needs. That's basically the entire chore chart for our family. You may, if you're on a farm or in an acreage, you probably have lots of other things. You could add in things like, sports that you're doing. If you wanted to add all that in, like so-and-so's away or whatever. We do have things that the kids do outside the house, but I just wanted for this purpose just to only have the chores and showers and things like that going on this chart. But you could sure add any shape you want and change it to any color you want. You can change the font size right here as well. And just make it your own. Enjoy.